What's going on, guys? Let me turn this fan off real quick. Sorry I didn't, I forgot to hit the record button when I was clear coating, but everything's clear coated except for the hood and the trunk. I ran into a little bit more problems with the trunk and the hood, and I had to go out and I had to get another quart of paint, which I really didn't want to do, but oh well. Let me show you what I ran into on the trunk really quick. Yeah, those are my fingerprints and stuff like that, but water, another bug. And then when I had it flipped over, I ended up scratching it a little bit up over there. And today is not, it's pretty humid today, so it's not an ideal day for paint, so I'm gonna have to scuff it and then resand it. And I got a little bit of, I got a ding there. I don't know whether or not I'm gonna fix that or not. May put some spot putty on it to see and try it and spray it. See if I can fix it, but it's not that noticeable, but if you know it's there, you know it's there. And then with the hood, I was getting ready to clear it, and I started looking at it, and you can't really see it, but right around here, it didn't seem like I got enough coverage on it. You could still somewhat see some of the gray. You can't really tell on the camera, but I know if I were to clear coat this, that would have came out really bad. So I decided to hold off on that. The underside of it, I mean, as far as the way that the paint laid down, it laid down really well. But, and you can see a little bit of an indentation there from where I was sanding and it tin canned. But it's okay. I'm happy. Let's see, so I'm going to have to scuff that whole thing up. Probably take some 2,000, that'll probably be good enough, for maybe 1,500 on it. Scuff it up, and then shoot it again, which will be fine. I mean, end up shooting it again. That'll be great. See, it kind of missed it looks like I missed a little bit there too, or it's a bump, but there you go. You can kind of see it there. See it? A little bit of discoloration right there. Trying to find the right angle because you can see it right there and right there. That would have showed up in the clear coat. And if I would have thrown clear coat on that and saw that, oh boy, that would have been fun to sand. But as far as the clear coat results, there it is. As you can see, I got a couple runs that I need to take care of there. Got a little bit of sagging here. But when I was looking at this yesterday after I did it, I thought the orange peel was worse than this. I don't think it's that bad. It doesn't look that bad and that deep, so I think that will sand out good. I mean, I got more goofy orange peel there and a little bit up at the top. Let's see, I got a little bit of sagging there. Other door came out okay. I do have a couple of runs that I need to take care of. Thankfully, nothing in here. Where do I got? Got a little one there. And right there. right here. And I got a little bit similar of the orange peel, the goofy looking orange peel there. The valance came out really nice. It is a little wavy over here on this side, but I don't even know whether or not I'm going to even need to sand that. And then here's the rest of the car. You got a little bit of a sag here. I think I'll be able to take care of that. That's not too bad. I did get some here and up at the top, so that'll be fun to take care of. Hopefully I can get that squared away. I did get a little bit of run here. But as far as how the clear coat laid down, I thought it laid down really nice. This is just overspray because I missed spots over here. So really all I have to do is just kind of sand that and blend that in, and that'll be okay. Fenders didn't really seem to be too bad. I have no idea what the hell happened here. I don't even know if that's going to come out. I don't know whether or not it's actually overspray or what it is, or dust or dirt. It looks like something got in there. It's just really, really weird. Where else did I get runs? That came out okay, no runs there. I didn't get any runs here. That came out really nice. It actually came out a lot flatter than what I thought. Got a little bit of dirt and stuff like that in it, but that's fine. It'll sand out. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I guess I could probably maybe tape it and spray it, maybe. I don't know. And I'd have to clear it. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Back came out pretty nice. I didn't get too many. I did get a run here. That's going to be fun to take out. I think I did get a little bit of sagging on this right here. This fender came out really nice. And even when you look down it, of course I'm doing this in the garage, but it's not out in the sun. I did get a big one here. I think I'm not going to touch that. I think I'm going to leave it there because the light is going to come out far enough to where it'll cover that up. But this one doesn't seem as shiny as that side did, so, and I think that'll be good to sand and buff out. See, I got a little something in there, but I think that'll sand and buff really nice. I don't know how I'm really going to do that area. That's going to be interesting. Probably look it up online to see how I'm going to do that. how to sand and buff small areas like that. But overall, as far as the peeling, because the clear coat came out. Oh, and I got to clear this again. You see how it's a little bit. See how it's a little bit dull. So I'm going to have to hit that again. But I think it came out really nice. I like the way that it came out. Just a little bit of sanding and buffing to get it nice and flat. I think it'll be really nice. What do you think of the color? I like the color. I really like how the color came out. That's a beautiful red or maroon. But I'm gonna let this dry for some time, and you know, it'll be good. Because I really think that'll actually come out. Because that's really just kind of overspray, so I think that'll sand and buff out good. But pretty soon we'll be putting this thing back together. But I'm gonna have to wait a couple of days on these. But it looks good. Let me turn this fan on so I can dry that, since I laid it on too damn thick. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace.